Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be explaining to you on how you can share TikTok videos on your Facebook story. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the TikTok application right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and look for the video that you want to share. I'll just go ahead and look for random videos and let's go ahead and take this one. Right after that, you can just go ahead and click on the share button on the options that we have right here. Now once inside, we can then go ahead and see the Facebook icon. You can just go ahead and click on Facebook, click on open, and you have to make sure that you have a Facebook application in order for this to work. Now right after that, you can now go ahead and create your post on Facebook. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.